Hey everyone, I'm Adam, GEO and SEO nerd. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through 6 Scalenut alternatives I actually like, when to use each, and why one of them is built for where search is really going. Scalenut is a solid all-in-one platform. You get keyword research, topic clusters, AI drafting, content scoring, internal links, metadata, the full workflow. But it was designed first for classic Google SERPs. Not for a world where people discover brands inside ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, and AI overviews. That's why a lot of teams are now looking at alternatives. Let's start with my top pick overall. Radarkit.ai. Radarkit is built around AI search and LLM visibility, not just what ranks on page 1. It shows how your pages and competitors appear inside assistants like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, and Copilot, and then feeds that data back into your content strategy. If you care about being cited in AI answers, this is where the game is being played. 2 Radarkit features I lean on a lot. First, query fanouts. You plug in a prompt like affordable CRM for startups, and Radarkit shows you all the related questions and sources LLMs are pulling behind the scenes. Second, the GEO writer. It uses NLP terms, competitor citations, facts, and PAA-style questions to build drafts that are optimized for both Google's SERPs and LLM citations. You're not just chasing a content score, you're engineering content to be findable in search and quotable in AI. That's the real edge. Next, tool number 2, Surfer SEO. If your focus is classic on-page SEO, Surfer is still one of the strongest options. Its content editor analyzes the top results and gives you real-time guidance on word count, headings, and term usage, with a live content score as you write. I like Surfer when I'm refining existing pages and want to align tightly with the current top 10. On top of that, Surfer's content audit and keyword research modules make it easier to find quick wins. You can spot underperforming URLs, missing terms, and internal link opportunities, then systematically improve the content instead of guessing. So if your goal is rank better on Google this quarter, Surfer is a very pragmatic Scalenut alternative. Next, third, Frase. Frase shines for SERP-driven briefs plus AI drafting. It pulls competitor content and questions from the SERPs, then turns that into a structured brief with headings, topics, and FAQs. Writers don't start from a blank page. They start from a search-aligned outline. Frase also includes an integrated AI writer and optimizer. You can generate long-form drafts, then tweak paragraphs, close gaps, and improve SEO with its scoring and rewriting tools. If you're running a content team that cares about speed plus structure, Frase is one of the smoothest Scalenut alternatives. Next, fourth, Clearscope. Think of Clearscope as a premium relevance and grading engine. It analyzes the top pages for a target keyword and gives you suggested terms, headings, and questions, then grades your draft in real time with A to F scores. It's built for teams that need consistent, high-quality, search-aligned content across lots of writers. Clearscope also helps you manage a content inventory. You can track pages, grades, and target keywords over time, and use that to prioritize refreshes. So if you're running a serious content operation and want a standard for quality, your Clearscope is a strong Scalenut replacement on the optimization side. Fifth, NeuronWriter. NeuronWriter is a great pick if you want semantic SEO and NLP. Without enterprise pricing, it analyzes Google SERPs, then surfaces related entities, questions, and terms. So you write for how Google understands the topic, not just raw keyword density. Inside the editor, you see a content score and AI/SEO score, which makes it easier to benchmark against competitors and know when a draft is good enough to ship. Next, finally, Dashword. Dashword is all about simple SERP-driven briefs and quick optimization. You get word count benchmarks, relevant terms, FAQs, and competitor URLs in a tight package, plus a clean editor with content scoring. If your team hates heavy tools and just wants clear what to cover guidance, Dashword is a nice lightweight Scalenut alternative. If you want one platform that leans hardest into that future, Radarkit is the Scalenut alternative I'd start testing today. If you got value from this breakdown, hit like, drop a comment with the tool you're using right now, and subscribe to the channel. I'll keep sharing practical GEO and AI SEO tips, tool breakdowns, and workflows you can actually implement this week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.